Today we talk about the life hack for boosting sales in Web3 in any other area that you want. It's being ability to create external and internal motivation to help you close more revenue. In order to achieve extraordinary results, you need to have an extraordinary answer to the question why. So, for example, let's say you want to make a good living. Well, in order to make a good living, you need to be making, it depends on where you live, but let's say you're going to be making $10,000 per month. If the company wants something greater, something higher from you, to give you a higher earning potential, you would need to you would need to do an effort. You would need to change the way that you're doing things. You would need to probably move up the market, build up new skills, learn how to navigate more complex life cycles. And you always need to explain to yourself, why am I doing this? Today I'm going to give you 4 different examples of external and internal reasons that you can use to get an additional meaning in what you're doing. Because essentially, if you work in sales, you are the master of your own destiny. You are making as much as you're able to produce, and your ability to produce is not limited. If you work every minute of every day of during the month, you will make probably more than some standard folks that just work 3 hours a day. So in order to boost your results, you can think about an expensive purchase, like find something that you really like and admire. Think about like a Porsche or a nice watch collection or something else, something that you want to buy, and that financial goal will motivate you for doing more work. It will give you more joy. Second thing, think about a good hobby, something where that requires money, something that requires time investment. So in order for you to, sometimes it's not about making more activity to make more money. Sometimes it's about making less activity in order to make the same amount of money. So you have more time that you can spend on other things. Third thing is think about presents. Think about maybe you want to give something to your family, to your wife, to your parents, to people that are significant for you. And the third, on the last one, which is one of the advices I got very early in the career, never used it. So I'm just going to sell it to you for what I bought. You need to go and take some debt, and you need to return the debt. And having the driver behind you will motivate you. If you don't want to take the real debt, for example, taking a loan from a bank or something else, go and talk to your relative and give them a big amount of money. I don't know, like give them $50,000, and then say, okay, like this is your money, and you will give it back to me when I have the same amount of money in my bank account. So then you will have 100,000. Like think about the schemas like that to either limit yourself somehow or expand yourself somehow with hobbies, with things, with presents. It's all additional things. Think about the ways that you want to be rewarded for the work that you're doing, something that will motivate you, and you will have more of that. That's it. Thank you for your attention, guys. See ya. Bye-bye.